Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sonam and I am coming on my field. So today is day 6. So welcome back to my again channel, and you can see the birds are chirping, the wind is flowing now, and the sun is shining. It's very hot day today. Today is 14th April, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti. That's why today is holiday and I am still free. You can see this is my field. It's a spinach plant. Okay, it's here. This is spinach. We can see in Hindi palak. Okay, so and this is what is this? This is onion field. Okay, so I am pure farmer and I am daughter of farmer. So I'm going here, so please be continue. So so what a weather, what a lovely weather. And you can see this is my little sister. You can hi bolo and here this is my father. My topic is that how to improve your English language. Okay, first is that how to improve English language from social media. You just focus on yourself, you just focus on your study. So today I am very happy now because I want to tell you something how to improve your English language. Okay, so you can see this is my field and I'm sitting on a wood. Okay, so once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So please watch this video till the end. Speak daily small sentences. Okay, you just speak small sentences. Got it? Okay, don't afraid what anybody say. Everybody is just watching, but I don't care. Okay, so speak small sentences. Okay, let's start with some simple daily sentences. Okay, repeat after me. So for example, you can see I am using my phone. Okay, this is simple sentence. You can see I am using my phone, I am learning English, and I use social media. I like watching English movie, English podcast and everything. You can see this. Okay, so learn from English, English on social media. Learn English from social media. Okay, so don't waste your time on social media. You just learn this language on social media. Okay, we all are using our mobile phone daily. Okay, every day, but we can also learn English from it. Okay, you can watch English video, you can watch English movie, English podcast, English cartoon, and watch English video and learn carefully, and read captions. Okay, read captions and repeat what you hear. Okay, what you listening is the most important. Listen carefully on YouTube. Okay, videos, podcast, and for example you can say I am watching video to improve my English learning. Okay, so you can do everything. You can change your life if you want. Okay, so practice this daily. So speaking practice. Now let's start to speaking practice. Okay, so for example you can say what are you doing. Okay, you can say that. You can say what are you doing. You can say I am watching English video. You can say I am watching English video. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? Okay, because I am learning English. I want to improve my future. How do you learn English? How do you learn English? I learn English from social media. Okay, speak daily sentences, speak whatever you learn. Please do lots of practice. Okay, practice is most important. Okay, don't afraid of your mistake. Okay, mistake are parts of learning process. So if you practice every day, you will you will daily improve yourself. Okay, so believe in yourself, and if you um if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So this is my vlog, and I want to talk to you because you can do it. If I can speak this language, you can also speak this language, I know. So this is my vlog, and this is my English vlog. So use your phone, try to speak. Okay, speak lots of speak, do lots of practice. So you can see the village, um, how it's looking like. Okay, so it's here just a peaceful. The birds are chirping, the view is so clear, and you can see my father is sitting on the ground, and we are enjoying. Okay, so please, if you like this video, please share and subscribe this video, and bye bye, take care. We will meet soon in the next video, day 7. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Okay, comment on day 6 video. Bye bye.